Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So itong reading po na ito ay para sa mga Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos, okay? So, para sa mga gustong magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader ha, i-search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Hindi po ako nagpa-personal reading. Actually, meron sa TikTok shop. Kung gusto mong mag-avail, may mga bracelet doon na pwede mong i-avail. At yun yung may kasamang tarot reading, astrological reading, or palm reading, yung crystal bracelet. Pero yung walang kasamang bracelet, yung reading lang talaga, wala pa akong ganun. Okay, so let's start your reading. So habang nag-a-announce, kinuha ko lang itong card na gagamitin ko para sa reading mo. Sana makarelate ka ha. This is for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Okay, let's start your reading. Ayan. Sana mag-comment kayo sa baba. Kahit po heart-heart lang, smileys, malaking bagay yun sa akin. Nagpapakita ng malaking suporta, pagmamahal. At ako pinagaganahan mag-reading kapag may mga comments sa baba. So, start na natin. Love reading to, guys. If you want na concentrated sa career, finances, nakalagay sa title yon. Yung daily love reading lang kasi na ginagawa ko is love reading. You do have the Eight of Pentacles and the Devil. This is your main energy. Okay? And you do have the Strength card. This is Leo energy. Ayan. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay. I feel like you're being more artistic. Nakikita natin na pwedeng with regards to your career, with regards to yung iba pwedeng sa daily life mo na i-enjoy mo yung life mo because you are, nagfo-focus ka na lang sa magpapalabas nitong childlike spirit mo. So, pag sinabi natin childlike spirit, maybe some of you, kung ano yung makakapagpasaya sa'yo. Whether ito ay pagpapalabas ng artistic abilities mo, yung iba, if you like playing mobile games, yan, you're being like a childlike spirit, no, na ilalabas mo yan. So, you're having fun. You're having fun. The devil is here. Capricorn energy. I feel like pagdating dito sa part na to, wala ka nang pakialam sa iba. Like, wala ka nang pakialam sa mararamdaman ng iba. Diba? Parang, as long na wala ka namang tinatapakan na tao, But, as long na masaya ka, tapos, kumbaga, unlike before, maybe in the past, masyado mo silang inalagaan. Masyado kang nagbigay ng pagmamahal, pagpansin, or ibinigay mo lahat, tapos parang kulang pa. So, maybe in the past, sila yung nag-take over sa'yo. Yung kumbaga sila ang nasunod. Sila ang, maybe these are other people na may kinalaman sa money-related issues, no? Pwedeng, this could be your boss or maybe yung iba sa inyo, this could be a partner, business partner, or friends, or maybe even employees, yung iba. So, for what I can see here, basta may sharing or pag-uusap regarding money, these people, nakikita natin na nag-take over sila sa iyo eh. They are the one, I can see partnership na nangyari, they value their self, pero yung mga binigay mo, ginawa mo sa kanila, hindi nila vina-value. 'Di ba? Hindi nila pinahahalagahan. Pinahalagaan nila yung sarili nila na feeling nila, ang dami ko na ibigay sa iyo, ang dami ko na i-share sa iyo, ang dami kong skills na nailabas sa iyo. 'Di ba? Tapos ikaw magkaroon ka lang ng konting pagkakamali na ikalungkot nila, masaktan sila regarding dito. Matindi ang balik na ibinibigay nila sa iyo. Now, you don't care about this outer world. You don't care about these people anymore. What I see is that you are focusing on yourself, sa kung ano yung mahalaga sa iyo ngayon, and you are being this person na parang ayoko na. Parang ganun. Tama na. Tama na yung mga ipinakita ko, kabaitan na binigay ko sa inyo. Tama na yon. no? Masyado yung inabuso. Now, let's focus or move on to the person, the main energy of your person, Virgo. Okay, for the energy of your person, I will not take this masyadong marami. I'll just take this one na nalaglag. You do have your the moon as expected. As expected, you do have your the moon kasi nakuha ko na yung energy nito na parang misteryosa, babae man or lalaki, regardless of the gender. The Queen of Wands. I feel like misteryoso kasi pwedeng ayaw niya ng pagkakagulo, or maybe um the moon is, I can see the Scorpio energy, but this is Pisces, you know. But alam mo kasi yung Scorpio, kaya ako nakuha na ng energy na pwedeng pwede meron siyang Scorpio sa kanyang chart, sa kanyang natal chart. But Scorpios are napakagaling labanan yung emotion nila. They are not open with regards to their emotions. And that is what the moon is telling me. Pwedeng itong person na to is hindi siya pwedeng, or hindi niya ino-open ang sarili niya sa'yo, or ang emotion niya regarding sa'yo. Masyado siyang misteryoso, masyado siyang masikreto, and it is because of other people na involved sa connection na ito. Some of you, I just saw the Five of Wands kanina sa bottom of the deck, but the Ace of Cups is here, and this is not, hindi to nagkataon lang. This person loves you, no? Pero yung kanina nasa bottom of the deck is the Five of Wands. Bago ko siya i-shuffle ng konti, ngayon ang nasa bottom of the deck is the Ace of Cups. So this person loves you. Maaaring feeling niya hindi pa ito yung tamang time na sabihin sa iyo yon. Or maybe with the Five of Wands, pwedeng may other people na pwedeng magalit sa connection ninyo. So maybe it has something to do sa kanyang groups, friends, families, or maybe another relationship na involved, no? And yung iba sa inyo, with the Ace of Cups, this person loves you, and kahit anong insecurities mo sa katawan mo, tanggalin mo yan. Kasi this person, wala siyang pakialam kung ano itsura mo, whatever you look like. As you can see with the Ace of Cups, diba? This person loves you for who you are. At saka, if you are familiar doon sa story ng, the princess, the frog and the princess, wherein, nung hinalikan ng prinsesa yung frog, ito ay naging, prinsipe. So, this energy nga lang is the witch and the frog. So, but anyway, so sa nakukuha natin dito, pwedeng this person, hindi yung frog yung pagkakakita niya sa'yo. Kung ano yung panglabas mong anyo na ayaw mo sa sarili mo, ang mas nakikita niya sa'yo, you are the prince or princess. Yun yung pagkakakita niya sa'yo, hindi yung kung ano yung pagkakakita mo sa sarili mo. Maybe you don't accept yourself enough, or you don't see your beauty within, no? Na pwedeng itong person na to, kitang-kita niya yon. And na Queen of Wands, I can see a person, parang gusto niyang ayusin yung mga mali sa buhay mo ngayon, or ikaw, kung ano yung mga maling ginawa mo. Yeah. Or mga, I feel like with regards to your relationship with other people, pwedeng gusto niyang ayusin yon. And this person, nakakita tayo ng word na travel. So this person wants to travel para ayusin yung mga bagay na yon. And also your personality. So, some of you may gusto siyang baguhin sa'yo na may kinalaman sa personalidad mo. And, pwedeng hindi naman yun pangit sa iba. Hindi yun masama. For example, masyado kang mabait. 'Di ba? Baguhin mo yun. Gusto kong baguhin mo yung pagiging mabait mo. Matuto kang maging, ano, ah, matapang or malakas paminsan-minsan. Pwedeng ganun. Yung iba naman, if you are having this bad habits, like, nagsusugal, or what, gusto niya baguhin niya yon sa'yo. It could be dealing with a perfectionist person. Like you as well, you are a Virgo, so you have this perfectionist kind of energy. You could also be dealing with another Virgo. Okay, ano yung mga emotions ninyo sa isa't isa? The Three of Pentacles, the Three of Cups, and the Two of Pentacles, Three of Cups is here. Emotion niya para sa'yo. Pero nabanggit ko na nga kanina, no? Nine of Swords, King of Swords, the World. Okay, bottom of the deck is the Justice card. Let me just get the mutual energy sa inyong dalawa. Ace of Pentacles and the Four of Swords and the King of Wands. Okay. With the Three of Pentacles, I feel like gusto mong makita dito sa person na ito na pinahahalagahan ka niya or napapansin ka niya. Parang gusto mong mapansin ka niya. Ganun. And with the Two of Pentacles, part of you is may inis, may galit kasi, bakit ka ba ganyan? Parang ganun. With regards to your person kasi parang maybe there's drama, no? Or may mga inexpress ka sa kanya, you're having this self-expression, tapos parang wala, baliwala, ganun. And there's this feeling na may nakuha sa'yo or kinuha sa'yo, and you want to let go, pero yung person na ito is not letting you na mag-let go. And the Three of Cups, of course, you do love this person. I feel like some of you are compatible talaga sa isa't isa. And you are comfortable din sa taong to. Komportable ka sa kanya. Nine of Swords. Part of your person is natatakot sa mga pwedeng mangyari, sa mga magagalit. Some of you may mga magagalit. And the King of Swords, nahihiya siya sa'yo. Or nahihiya siya mag-open up sa'yo with the world. The world is, an open connection or communication or openness, pagiging open sa'yo. And pwedeng nahihiya siya mag-open up sa'yo. Nahihiya siyang maging vulnerable. And the Four of Pentacles, yung mutual energy ninyo, part of you is that may mga panghihinayang kayong pareho dito or nasasayangan kayo. King of Wands and the Ace of Pentacles, both of you are focusing sa career. Mga new beginnings, especially may kinalaman sa career. I feel like medyo mahirap yung mga sitwasyon ninyo ngayon. May mga problem with regards sa law, money, debt. Ayan, and nakakarinig ako ng allowance. So, Yeah, more on material things in your life. Pero the Queen of Cups, both of you love each other. I can feel like both of you loves food. So pareho ninyo gusto ang pagkain. Or vice versa, pwedeng gusto nyong magluto. Or one of you loves to cook and the other one loves to eat. you know. Or pwedeng both. Anyway, what will happen in the future for the both of you? What will happen in the future for the both of you? Either the Temperance, the Knight of Cups, and the Knight of Pentacles. Okay. Mm. Eight of Wands, the Five of Wands, the Ten of Cups, and the Judgment. And you go over the Page of Pentacles, Four of Wands. Um, hmm. I feel like in the future, you are getting ready with the Temperance. This is you, no? Nagfo-focus ka sa mga bagay sa paligid mo. And you are, being more skillful. Nagiging mas mautak, mas magaling ka. Alam mo yung mga dapat gawain. Alam mo yung, maybe with regards to career or pag-aaral. So, some of you, alam mo na kung ano yung mga dapat mong gawain. And sabi ko nga, pwede nilalabas mo yung pagiging resourceful mo, pagiging malikhain mo. And with the Knight of Cups, I can see you pwedeng may mga actions mula sa'yo. And might be it's not that big, pero it's big para sa person mo. Para ma-realize niya, para makuha niya. I feel like these are messages or maybe as simple as posting sa social media na may patama sa person na ito. It's not that big, medyo slow lang yung movements. But I feel like hindi ka naman kasi nagmamadali. You're just focusing on improving yourself. And maganda yon, maganda yon. Etong person na ito is with a Judgment. I feel like there's realization na parang wala sa kung nasaan siya yung mga bagay na hinahanap niya. This person is letting go of something kasi mararamdaman niya yung feeling na may kulang sa buhay ko eh. And this person is not happy with the outcome na nakukuha niya with regard sa kanyang home, sa kanyang security, sa kanyang um, maybe may kinalaman sa mother. I can see mother and material possessions. This person wants something in his life or her life na parang um, gusto niyang makuha pero wala talaga doon sa kung nasaan siya. And I feel like the Five of Wands, this person will may similarities ako nakikita. May mga kokopyahin siya sa'yo or may mga some of you will be maybe uh, how you show yourself to the world. For some of you, kung mahilig ka sa pula, ayan, magpupula din tong person mo na ito. May mga ikinakopy siya sa'yo, may mga gagayahin. Kung ikaw ay mahilig sa ganitong bagay, mahilig din siya. And there's this mirror, so that's copying kind of energy in the future mula sa taong to. And ganun siya kasi pag magmahal or ganun yung connection ninyong dalawa, you try to copy each other or siya lang, pwedeng ganun. And in the future, this person is Eight of Wands. This is, as nabanggit ko sa'yo kanina, yung frog na nag-turn into a prince. And this is what I'm talking about. Can you see that? Diba? This is the frog, tapos naging prince siya. And this is how I view your connection. Pwedeng in the future, i-reveal niya sa'yo or ipapakita niya sa'yo kung ano yung totoo sa kanya. And might be it has something to do with his or her emotions. So thank you for watching. I love you all, guys, and bye-bye.